Hello friends, bonjour. Welcome to our YouTube channel French Minds. So today let's learn some more French pronunciation tips. Pronunciation of H in French. In French, the letter H is mostly silent. As a letter, it has a sound, but in words, it is usually not pronounced. The way it is pronounced is given below in brackets. Habiter means to live. Habile means skillful. Hériter means to inherit. Homme means man. Hôtel means hotel. Human means human. Now let's see pronunciation of J in French. The letter J sounds like Z or Z. Mesure means measurement. Il prend la mesure de la pièce. He takes the measurement of the room. Je means I. Jardin means garden. Joli means pretty. Jour means day. June means young. Justice means justice. Now let's see pronunciation of T and D. The letters T and D have a soft pronunciation, whereas in English they have a hard sound. Tu means you in informal manner. Tu vas bien? Are you doing well? Similarly, the words are given in the example. The means tea. Toi means tower. Danser means to dance. Tomate means tomato. Let's see some more examples. Table ronde means round table. Tête means head. Droit means right. Très means very. Trois means three. Bout means end. The letter C, if followed by I and E, sounds like S. Let's see some examples. Cine means cinema. Ciel means sky. Celery means celery. Centre means center. Cicatrice means scar. Citron means lemon. Civil means civil. Cité means city. Civre means zinc. Cell means that one. Ciment means cement. Cenacle means cenacle. The letter C, if followed by letters I and E, sounds like S, but elsewhere sounds like K. Examples of the letter C sounds like K. Candida means candidate. Card means card or map. Casque means helmet. Cas means brake. Quoi means heart. Couloir means corridor. So keep learning, keep practicing. See you in the